This video is sponsored by Yunmai. Links in the description. So, as one ages, or if you are athletically inclined, you could possibly end up with a need to relax sore, tight muscles. And when Yunmai contacted me regarding this particular massage gun, I jumped at it because my wife and I are in our upper 50s now, and periodically this could really be quite a lifesaver. So let's see what we have here. This particular model is YMJM-420T, but you might know it, at least on Amazon, as SC or SlimChic. But as I mentioned before, links in the description. So let's see what they have sent me. I have been researching these items for a few years on YouTube, and there we go. Isn't that a nice box to put everything in? Has a blue kind of a collar right here as well. Now let's see how we can get this out here. It comes in a wonderful carrying case that actually organizes everything quite conveniently. That's wonderful. And it's definitely slim. I've seen some of these be much larger. So this is a nice size. It says Yunmai. It's well built, padded, and inside the case you have this fascia gun manual. We'll take a closer look at that in a little bit. Here is the gun itself. Ooh, that feels very heavy duty. So let's see. How much does that weigh? Got my little scale here, and I realize that you can't actually see this, but I will read it out to you. So just the gun itself is 785.1 grams, but that feels very significant. It also feels real sturdy. You know, so many of these things are made of plastic, and you kind of wonder if they'll hold up, but this has an amazingly sturdy feel for that weight. Okay, so there's the gun. Here is the charger. And let's see, output says 26 volts at 900 milliamps. So that should charge fairly quickly. And then you have all these accessories to help you massage your sore and tired muscles. Everything fits very sturdily in this particular package, which means they're not going to pop out and roll around. I've had some experience with other cases and other guns, and to be honest with you, this one's actually a little bit nicer because everything fits in and stays put. Okay, so we have let's see here, 4 silicone massage heads. This one obviously is a round ball. This one, I guess you could call it bullet shape, and that's that's pretty solid. This is all silicone. This is like a flat circular design, okay? And this is obviously like a fork. So just looking at a few of the specifications for this particular massage gun, I see 1800 to 3200 RPM, 7-hour battery life. So I can't wait to charge that up and try it out. And it has a power button. Now, have you ever had a situation where you're using a device, whatever it is, and you accidentally keep turning it on and off all the time? This is a recessed power button, and I don't know if it has any charge in it just yet. See, I'm pushing it. All right, so it has a little bit of a charge, And you have some charge lights here, which you probably can't see, but it's 2 out of 4 lights. All right, that's medium speed. And that's high speed. And then it cycles off. Okay, wonderful. So you know what we need to do? We need to charge this up, and I imagine it will probably take a couple hours for this to go from 2 lights to 4 lights and get an entire full charge. But before we do that, how about we take a closer look at the gun and the manual? So here's a close-up, and as you can see, we have some power lights right down here at my little finger. Here, let's put a flash on that. See that a little bit better? And when you turn it on, yeah, push it, hold it. There we go. You can see the power lights actually light up. They might be flickering a little bit. That's 2 out of 4. Okay. Now the manual, I imagine, you can probably download online, but let's take a quick peek at it right here. So there's the front cover. And I don't think we need the flash. A little too much glare. This has a 1-year warranty. Some product information. And instructions for use. So there are places that you want to use the massager, and there are places where you do not want to use the massager. So please familiarize yourself with that, as that will save you some trouble in the future. And that's the manual. Now let's charge the massage device. So much to unravel. All right, that's a little better. Charging port is at the bottom, and we can plug it in. And we should have, do we have any charge lights? There we go. Okay. Took a minute for it to figure everything out. Now you see the charge lights. And when it's done charging, then we'll try it out and see what we think. Now we have a full charge. So let's check out how well this Yunmai works. So I have read in various different forums that an easy way to insert and remove your tools isn't necessarily just to go ahead and just push directly in, although this doesn't require a whole lot of effort. It's to also twist when you're inserting and removing. So either way, this seems to work just fine. So you have speed lights right here. Push and hold. That's level 1. Level 2. Level 3. That's pretty serious. So let's see what this does. Let's check out the level of agitation on my hand. Here's level 1. Probably looks kind of funny in the camera. Wow. That is a lot of agitation, and that's on low. And the battery lasts forever on low. Here's medium. And that's all the way. Sound quality is very pleasant to listen to, as I would expect that. And as I mentioned before, the battery is supposed to last a very long time, especially on low. All right, this is low speed. Here's medium. And that's all the way. Wow, you can really feel the muscle tissue moving around. And I'm actually going to suggest that the low speed is probably the most useful right here, at least on this muscle. All right, let's try this out on my forearm. We'll go through all the tools. That's low speed. And here we go. Wow. That's a lot of agitation, but it's very nice. Okay, here's medium. And that's all the way. That's intense. It's making my fingers tingle, even though I'm nowhere near my fingers. So let's try this bullet-shaped one. Now this is going to concentrate the massage into a specific area. And yep, believe it or not, that's concentrating that agitation in a very specific area. See, there's medium. Woo, that's a lot. That's a lot. And that's maybe a little too intense, but it's nice to know that you have that option if you want it. Here's attachment that's much more flat. Going to be much more gentle, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Okay, here's medium. And that's high. And that's really intense. Woo! Yeah, you're definitely going to feel your muscles moving with this. All right, so let's install the fork, or at least I call it the fork. And you can go around things with this, or just do this. All right, here's medium. And this is really intense. Well, I can tell you, if you have sore muscles and you need some intense massage and agitation, this will definitely provide it, to be sure.